it's Erin. We're going to be doing an acrylic ring pour paint today on an 11 by 14 canvas. We're kind of just playing around with different techniques and seeing how things turn out. We're going to be using some different shades of blue, a little bit of plum, some gray and white. Of course, we have our torch here. We are not going to be using any coconut milk or anything like that to make cells, and we're just going to kind of see how it comes out. We'll be using this measuring cup here. I'm going to be pouring off the side with the spout to get all the paints to layer. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some white into the bottom. Then I'm going to do a little bit of gray. Now I'm going to start pouring off the side here so that they will layer. Okay, now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pour some white paint. And kind of spread this around. And what this should do is kind of help the paint slide around on the canvas instead of getting stuck. Alright, so now I'm going to start pouring right into the middle, and as I'm pouring, I'm just going to do it in circular motions just a little bit. All right, so now you can see, because we put down the white base a little bit there, it helped the paint to slide, so we kind of kept our center circle here instead of the paints overlapping as we were stretching them. They kind of slid along the canvas instead, so that's kind of a difference of making a white, putting down a white base and just having the canvas by itself. As you can see, we still got a lot of cells even without using coconut milk or silicone or any of that stuff. We think this one turned out really, really cool. Alright, so that's our finished product. Make sure and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see y'all back next time. Thanks, bye.